Welcome to today's science demonstration. Today I have in front of me a small container of water with some blue food coloring in it. I have a lit candle. I lit it in advance because I'm not very good at lighting matches, so I need to practice some. And a giant cylinder. It's got numbers on the side, but that's not the important thing. The important thing is just a cylinder of glass. What I'm going to do is put the candle in here, so I'll do that right now. And you notice that it floats on the water. The demonstration is going to be me putting this cylinder over the candle. So the candle will be inside the cylinder, and the cylinder will be sitting on the bottom of the container. What I'd like you to do is to make a hypothesis about what will happen when I do that. So when I put that cylinder over the candle and rest it on the bottom, there's a little lip here so water, air, whatever can get in and out. What do you think will happen? So make a hypothesis, and you can put your answer in the format. I think blank will happen because. And remember, the because is an important part of the hypothesis. So I'll give you a little bit of time to think about that. Okay, that's enough time. If you need more time, you can actually pause the video. So I just need to move this out here. It kind of floats around. So watch carefully. Watch the candle carefully as I place this over. And notice what's happening. So pay attention. There, did you see what happened? So hopefully you were focusing on what happened when I put the cylinder over the candle. So a couple of follow-up questions. What happened to the water when I covered the candle up with the cylinder? So did you notice what was happening at the very bottom? The water near where that little spout was, where water and air can go in and out? Yeah, it bubbled. You saw some bubbles coming out. So the bubbles were air that were inside here. Bubbles that were inside? Yes, air that was inside there. And it bubbled out through the water. And you could also hear it a little bit too. I don't know, the sound quality is not that great, but you possibly could have heard it. So does that give you an idea of what happened? So air bubbled out, and then notice at the end the candle rose up. So here's my 24/7 explanation of what happened. When I lit the candle and I put the jar or the cylinder over it, it heated the air inside the cylinder, and it heated the glass a little bit as well. The heated air expands, heated air spreads out, so the air bubbled out through the side, and when the air bubbled out, that left some space inside the cylinder, and then the water rushed in to fill that space when the candle went out and the air cooled. So that was about 24 seconds. And now my 7-word explanation. Cool air contracts, water fills the space. Thanks for watching this, and I hope you learned some science. And remember, science rocks.